It smells like it, and I know what it blows like.
Silvano never came near that C4. It's in federal holding right now. Besides, why would Silvano blow up a church?
I tailed him 2 days ago, and him and one of his goons were in that church and they weren't taking communion. I saw the woman who planted the bomb and she was with Silvano's lawyer. Now, I want some fast answers.
You tailed him after I ordered you off?
I want to know where Silvano is.
My orders were to release him, not babysit him. You think you're rough stuff, Toscani. Martial arts hero, chop suey crap. Let me tell you something. You're not bulletproof. You're not even a good cop.
Really?
You sneak around playing your street dick games, and all you come up with is conjecture, wild coincidence.
I want the name of the federal agent who signed those explosives.
You do your job, I'll do mine.
Bank on it, pal.
They will master dangerous machines or kill each other trying. Owner's Manual, Thursdays at 10.
Hey, get the shit off me! Ah, fuck! Go. Go! Can't get this off me. Stupid shit. Fuck you.